Campbellville, Ontario, AP. Lather Up won the $1 million North America Cup on Saturday night at Woodbine Mohawk Park. Lather Up finished Canada's richest harness race in 1 minute 48 seconds and 1 millisecond, with Donwell finishing second ahead of Lost in Time. Driver Montrell Teague and trainer Clyde Francis won, after finishing second in the 2015 race with favorite Wiggle It Jiggleit. Article continues below. Also, Louis-Philippe Roy drove shower plate a victory in the $415,000 Fan Hanover for 3-year-old pacing fillies. Fox Fantasy Auto form a racing team, compete for prizes, play now.